Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make footnote in Google Docs. So let's start it. At first open a docs file. Firstly, then we can say I'm going to then we can say is select your text and going to the insert menu option and click on the footnote option. Now click for footnote is this text is select your text now select your font size is then again select your text and going to the insert menu option and click for the footnote option. This footnotes is select your text and the font size is this. Then we show the make footnotes in Google Docs. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.